Okay, so it's time to do an unboxing video of a mystery box that arrived in the mail. And actually, if you look at it, I mean, one needs to be careful because there is no sender. So it looks rather suspicious. So what do we have here? It was sent, so I got it on the 22nd of January. And now it's what? Now it's the 2nd of February. So okay, well, this took a while to unbox, but seems as if time has come. Okay, so let's have a look at what we have here. Okay, so it's addressed to me, and there's some odd pair of stamps. So let's just say what does it say? So it's a Bialystok. Oh. So this thing comes from Poland. I wonder who might have sent this from Bialystok. I have no idea, but okay, it's addressed to Bulgaria with L, so that's wrong. That's obviously wrong. But as it is a mystery box. Oh, by the way, we totally forgot. Look who we have here as a witness. So yeah, this is Kompot Elica. Kompot Elica, okay. So if you don't believe me, here they are. And also as a witness, we have Brainy the Brain Cell here, who will be looking into the mystery box. I really hope that there is no bomb in there. So the way we proceed now is by taking some measures, some precautive measures. So because you never know, it might be poison, might be coronavirus, might be, who knows, a bomb or something ticking. So have to be prepared nowadays for just about anything. So now seems that we're done. We are prepared. Should be kind of careful before really handling that item. So you get a scalpel, and I wonder how does one open this thing. Okay, let me try. Let's try the standard way. I really hope it doesn't explode. But oh shit! I already pierced it. Crap. What could that be? Let's see. This has to be really, have to have surgical precision. And okay, appears as if we're done. And okay, a blue box that looks maybe promising, maybe not. Let's have a look. Who might have sent this for this thing? Could be. Oh, cow. Okay, good. So what do we have here? We have a what? A śliwka naleczowska. Dobra. Oh, good. Yeah, I didn't expect this, but I mean, as I think about you, yeah, maybe that is to be expected. Nothing else in the box. No postcard, no secret message, and most importantly, no address to send this whole thing back. Oh, thank you very much. So Kompot Elica will try and enjoy that thing. Now, let's try it open. Let's see. Whoopsie dipsy. Okay, still have to be careful. You never know. Maybe there's poison in it. Maybe it's explosive. And poof. Oh man, I haven't had those for ages. And they are the same. They are exactly the same. So So you folks, I mean, whoever's watching this, maybe not too many people, but basically that's the best śliwka brand you can get in Poland. There's various manufacturers, but this one brings out the best stuff. Really good. Let's try that thing. Okay. Yep. Tastes exactly like it was back in the old days. So there is a plum in it, although I already ate it. So if you don't know. Great. So thank you to this mysterious lady that sent that to me. Sorry it took a while to process it, but yeah, I just had to do it. Had to do the unboxing properly. You see, and you have some nice stamps from Bialystok. Cool. Thanks a lot. Bye from me. Bye from Kompot. Bye from Elica. And I guess I'll see you this year. Cheers.